name is Devon with Sunstream Infrared Saunas, and in this video I'm going to be showing and demonstrating how to install your Chromotherapy LED light panel onto your Evolve Mini. One thing I want to note is included on our website, along with a PDF email for add-ons, we have a manual to help you with your installation process. What you'll need is one cordless drill along with a Phillips head for that cordless drill. Next, you'll need two drill bits. One is going to be a 3/8 or a 7/16 slightly larger size, and this is going to create a hole for your power cord. Next is going to be a 1/8, a smaller drill bit for your screw to hold the mounting onto the LED light panel. And then lastly, you'll need a ruler along with a pencil to create the markings on where you're going to be able to center this LED chromotherapy light panel onto your sauna. Next, we'll start by taking off the roof, and let's get started. Once you've been able to take the roof off of the top of the sauna, you're going to want to put it on a nice work table. From here, you're going to take the screws off the perimeter, the edges of the roof, in order to get access and remove the roof cover. You'll start by removing the access panel right here, along with the roof cover, and go ahead and place it over to a side before coming back and locating your power cord. The power cord will often be bunched up here along the side. You'll take it out, and this is what it looks like. This is the power cord that will be plugged in to the LED chromotherapy light. From here, we'll go ahead and flip over the roof, and you'll have the back speakers towards you, and you'll locate your LED light. You'll put this green button towards the back of the sauna where the speakers are located, and you'll start to get it centered. Ideally, you're going to place this LED light between the back of the speakers and this front light right here. Now that you've got your roof flipped over, you'll go ahead and locate your chromotherapy LED light, and you're going to start getting it into the right position here. Ideally, you're going to have this LED light be between the reading light and these back speakers. In order to get it centered, you're welcome to use a measuring tape to find the perfect center. For simplicity purposes, we're just going to eyeball it. And as you're finding the right position here, you want to make sure that these screw holes here for the mounting are not over these tongue and groove aspects. You want to make sure that these are going to be able to screw directly in to the nice hard flush wood. Now we'll go ahead and start getting this centered and ready for it to be, the drill holes to be put in. Now that you've got your LED light centered where you want to put it, you're going to come to the corner here, and you're going to mark a line that's roughly 4 centimeters long. And do the same thing on this side, a line that's roughly 4 centimeters long. Once you've done this, you're going to go ahead and slide this over. And to locate the center mark of where you're going to have your drill for the hole here, you're going to grab your ruler. You're going to come out from that corner 3.5 centimeters. And then from this little side right here, you'll come up 3.5 centimeters. And you'll mark your line here. And then on this line, you're going to come up 3.5 centimeters. And then from here, you're going to come out 3.5 centimeters. And where these two lines right here intersect, this right here is going to be where you drill your drill bit. Now that you've marked your center hole with your pencil mark, you're going to start off with a 1/8 drill bit and create your hole here with a 1/8 drill bit before you go up to the 3/8 drill bit. At this point, you've got your 3/8, you've got your smaller hole, and you'll start getting the larger hole going here. And at this point as well, you want to start widening the hole a little bit at a time. so that way the power cord can get through, because remember, it's a little larger than 3/8. Now that you've got your hole created, clear the area of any wood shavings, and let's start getting this power cord fed through. Now that you've got the hole for the power cord created, it's now time to create the holes for the mounting holes as well. What you're going to do is bring this right back to your original pencil marks, your LED light. And if you have a long pencil, that'll work. But go ahead and grab your 1/8 drill bit just to create the marks. You're going to come right here, just lightly make a little mark on both sides to indicate where you're going to drill through. Now that you've got both holes created, you can remove LED light, and you now know where your holes are. At this point, you're welcome to start drilling through a little bit more thoroughly until it breaks through, starting slow. There you go. So that's one hole. Same thing on the other side here. Now you've got the second hole created as well. From here you can begin the installation process with your screws and your LED light. Now that you've got your holes all marked up here on your sauna, it's time to start the mounting process. You've got the power cord hole and then the screws that are going to hold for the light there in place, all ready to rock. From here you've got your cordless drill with the Phillips head, grabbing your screw here, and let's begin the installation process. Get that screw down in there and slowly start threading that guy in until you feel it grab. Same thing on the other side here. A little bit of pressure and you'll feel it grab. Now your LED light here, the chromotherapy light, is mounted onto the roof of your sauna. Next is we're going to flip this over and get the power cord attached as well. Now what's next is to get everything plugged in on the back. What you'll do is you'll simply flip over the roof, and once you flip it over, you'll see that there is a connection power cord that needs to be plugged into that hole that you made earlier. Make sure it's nice and flush into the hole, and lastly we're going to put on the cover, reinstall the roof cover here, along with the access panel as well. And from here you'll get everything screwed in on the perimeter before placing this roof back on top of the Evolve Mini. Once you plug in the Evolve Mini, you'll notice that the chromotherapy light will turn on automatically. You're welcome to use the LED remote. We include 2 of them with your purchase to toggle on and off the LED light, along with changing the different colors as well. You're welcome to manually go in and tap that green button in order to turn on and off the light as well. We also have a brightness dimmer button that you can press here on the remote, and a color wheel spectrum that'll sort of toggle through the different colors automatically on their own. Thank you for watching this installation video for the chromotherapy here on the Evolve Mini. If you want to learn more about the Sunstream Saunas brand and different products that we offer, feel free to go to our website at sunstreamsaunas.com, where either Kevin or I would enjoy talking with you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.